Hello, yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I want to show you how you can create AI videos for free using Google Gemini. And so do you know that you can generate videos by using Google Gemini? Yes, it is actually works. So now let's go to practical. Yes, let us practicalize on how Google Gemini works and how it can generate a stunning video. So let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to use a a, mo- a modern folk tale story as our as a guideline so as our story. So now let me just go to my notes where I wrote this. And I have a good news for you. You can use ChatGPT to generate with your prompts. Yes, you can use ChatGPT to create an ideas for your prompts. So now already they I have created a story a story prompt that I want to use for this practical. So now, and this is the prompt. Scene one. It is forest meditation and connection, and this is the prompt here. As you know, so in the title of the prompt is Wi-Fi tree. But before we go into deeper, I want us to go and generate a picture that will be used for this story. As you can see that in this prompt, it says, as it does in a growing futuristic forest, last like trees shimmer with soft blue digital lights, a peaceful young woman, Amari. So now I want to go and use my picture to act as Amari. So now Amari has a one brown skin, short curly black hair, wearing a flowing light with futuristic with soft green lines, translucent smartwatch, glass like smartphone, sits cross-legged beneath a glowing tree, meditating, close up. Her serene face, her smartwatch pulses gently. She opens her eyes slowly. Her phone lights up with the message connected. Wi-Fi 3 0801. So now let me go to the Gemini app. I want to first create the picture. So I want to use my picture as Amari. Let me use nice. Okay, let me use the one I just snapped in church. In case you don't know, I am a gospel pillar church where Christ is. So do well to come to our church. Church, you will be blessed. And we have different branches. We have like seven. One is at Ikeja in Lagos. One is at another one is at Okota, Lekki. We have at Lagada, and we have at Ojota. So please do well to visit my church. As you come to my church, you will be blessed. So now let's get started. So I've picked one of my pictures in my gallery, in my phone gallery. So I want to use it as I want to use it to generate with this prompt. This is our settings here. So I want to act as Amari now. So I want to copy it and then go back. So will paste it here. So I will now say use this picture picture and use the picture and act act as Amari. Amari. Act as Amari in the description below. Below. Kindly generate this. Follow these prompts below. So now let's see what it will give us. Let's see. It's loading, so we need to wait and see what. Oh, this is so lovely. As you can see that it has used my picture and acts as Amari, as I told it on the description below, as you can see now. So now we will generate the save the picture on the phone. So and this is the picture we are going to use for the video for our story. So it has downloaded. Good. So now let's switch this to video. You can see create video, new shots. And so, and again, you can use all these templates to create a nice video, as you can see. So Gemini app is a good app. It has excellent features that you can use and create a stunning video. So now let's get started. I will go and pick the picture I just generated in my gallery. as you can see. So now I will now paste these settings. This is our settings here. So I use this front as it was settings. So I will now go back again. So I will now be so now so now I will now move to scene 2. That is Amari sent message. So I will just copy it out. I will copy it out. I will copy the guys copy. Then I will now go and paste it here. So I will paste it here. That's follow this 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 script. Follow this script below. So now, and this is our settings now. So let's send and see what it will give us. Send. Sorry. There was. Okay, so now it is generating the video and see what it would give us. Come on, I am beautiful. See how I'm stunning in that picture. Above natural beauty. So I've turned to Amari now. I've turned to Amari. So I am inside the glory forest. It's still generating, so it will take 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, that's generated. And see, you can see now. Ah, this is so beautiful, as you can see now. So now we are done with the first button. So let's move to third scene. So our third scene here. Okay, we are still in 2. So now we want to generate 2B. We are in clip 2B now. So here is lost child and parent. In the same rainforest, a lost child runs toward a parent. They embrace under soft pulses of blue light from the ground. So yeah, Amari, yeah, she used a Wi-Fi phone to send a message. Send a message, and also she used that phone to connect a lost child and the parents together. So in the same drawing forest, a lost child runs toward a parent. They embrace under soft pulses of blue light from the ground. So now let me copy it out. So now let's use this. So this is our 2B scene. So now follow this prompts. Follow this script below. So I will now go back and copy the settings, the first scene here. The first scene here. If you want a consistent character, you must use this first scene. It serves as a description for your video. So this is our settings here. This is our settings. As you can see, this is our settings, and then let me first, I want to copy everything. Okay, so now so I want to upload this my picture again, this summary picture. So and so I've used this picture again. Till the end of your video, you will continue use this picture. So for the video of your story. So now let's send and see what it will give. It's still loading. So in every story that you want to make, but you must make sure that the characters of the scenes, they are consistent, and the environment, unless there is a change. So now, I might use this phone to connect with our lost child, and the lost child now runs toward a parent, and they embrace under soft causes of the life on the ground, as you can see now. So I have come to the end of this training, and do well and get my ebook from the Amazon. So it's that I have explained a lot on that ebook, and how you can create a consistent character. So see you in the next video. Bye.